Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 403 different strategies, with 128 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 302 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,049 indicators, with 438 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, best free buy sell indicator hack for busy traders, breakout trading strategy. And so of course we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of the strategy and see if it is the best buy sell indicator. And I guess I would say it's going to be kind of hard to definitively conclude whether or not it is the best, considering how it would require us to test every single other buy sell indicator out there. And obviously that's not something we've done yet. But nonetheless, we'll still put this strategy to the test and see if it is profitable. So the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend line breaks. It's going to be this one right here. Not the first one, but the second one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this. And what we're going to do is the pivot linked, we're going to change to 15. And then we're going to uncheck the repainting right here. Go ahead and click OK. Everything else stays on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend alert indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one. And what we're going to do is the res MT, we're going to change to a 1 hour and click OK. And again, everything else stays on default settings. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for when we get a green break or a red break from the trend line indicator. And so obviously that means that the price action is breaking a trend line that the trend line indicator has established. And so in this case, we're looking at a long trade. And so we get a green break right here. Now, it's not the candle that the tag appears on, but one candle into the future when that tag appears. And so that's why we have this candle here, which confirms that tag right there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look down to the trend alert indicator, and we want it to have a green bar in the case of a long trade. And in this case, it does right here. And so that would be our signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this kind of pivot area right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see it takes just a little bit, but we stair step our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for the red tag break of the trend line like this right here. Then we're going to look down to the trend alert. And again, we want it to have a red bar in this case. And you can see all that lines up right here. It's going to be our signal to then enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right there, put our stop just right above this pivot area and target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, and again, it takes just a little bit, but we eventually make that nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Now, out of those 50 trades, we got 30 winning trades and 20 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 60% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $18,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,000 for an overall gain of $10,000. So a really decent strategy, all things considered. And so with a really decent win rate as well. But compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 78 trades altogether. We had 62 winning trades and 16 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $37,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $19,200 for an overall gain of $18,000. So definitely better results, almost double the results of this strategy. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate quite significantly, and the total gain would have been closer to the $37,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out the 38th winning trade in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. And that's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. And so we're closing in on 3 months of 100% profitability. We have taken all 38 profitable trades in a row at this point. It's a very powerful combination, the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy. In backtesting, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader that we are offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and in the first month you are not profitable, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money back guarantee here if you are interested. All right, that's it for the strategy here. So we're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.